Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Peter here, Piotr Fisner. That's a Samsung, okay? When one connector to the display panel is disconnected, please see what will happen. Okay? Well, you can see that part of the display is working, part of the display is not. Okay? If I'll connect now both sides, nothing. So the screen is black. Okay? So what does that mean? Is something shortened, yes? Something shortened a signal. So I found this one inside. So I think somebody knew what they were doing, but it fell off or whatever. Now this ribbon cable, yes, we can try to apply on the edge here and cut off the first voltages. If we're lucky enough, okay, that's a bit thick. That's a bit thick to be true, too thick for my likeness. And we can insert it. So the T-con board is connected back, but the section of several pins are disabled, yes, because we've got this add-on. So we've got still the same issue. That didn't help. Let's try to do it on the opposite side of the ribbon cable. Still nothing. So the change which we've seen was more to my right side. I've got here some random piece. This one is a bit wider than the previous one was. And we've got a smart TV. BBC. And the YouTube. There is a one single line I see here, and picture is shadowing. That's mean there is a still small problem with the display, but we get a picture back. Okay, so as you see, by applying a tape you can remove quite quickly most of the issue which you had. That's mean completely no picture. Okay, but it's not always working because it depends on the fault. Yes, so I'll disconnect it. It's when voltages are coming which supplying display and give the signal, what's happening is that there can create some short, which is shorting. Now usually mainboard will not get killed. Yes, it will still work, but those voltages which are coming in, they should work in a certain way. If they are not working in that way, you've got a lack of picture. By applying just tape, you know, you are able to remove some faults of the TVs. And TVs, you can say there is plenty of game consoles, there is plenty of computers and laptops. Yes, there is plenty of well, not nowadays, but you had plenty of Blu-rays, yes, or DVDs, and things which using TVs or monitors. Yes, so TVs and monitors are the most common faults out there. So if you're fixing, if you're repairing, or if you want to learn something, you know, about repairs, TVs will be, I would say, you can always get some TV faulty, you can always get some cracked screen TV for spares, you can always get, you know, them. The only downside with TVs is that they are occupying space. Yes, so if you want to fix them, you can get cooperate with us at bookrepair.online.co.uk, platform where we can help each other to understand all the faults, and when we can create, when we've got a booking, where we've got a booking system, and then where we can swap parts in between each other and have a, you know, inventory, and then later we will have shop as well, our websites and so on. So if you want to save the maximum space, you know, minimize it to the minimum, you can integrate with us, because we're looking for repair shops like a small in-house like I have to integrate with. Yes, and we want to do something great. You know, we want to produce fixable electronics by introducing right to repair, because if we will have fixable electronics which we produce, we can supply with all the schematics, all the board views, everything, yes, back to the public. So that means all our repair shops which work with us, you know, they will have access to all of it. Yes, and we fight for Intecracy, which is far better than democracy, and you can it's something beyond the politics, beyond everything. It's integrity in the nation. So that's linked down below this video. You can learn about it, and we can find solutions to our problems and to our repairs together quicker, more efficient, and then pay specialists, pay experts, that they will spend their whole time on finding solution to our existing problems. Yes, and then we will be sharing that knowledge at Book Repair Online to all the community, so that we will be making sure that repair shops who are working with us can deliver a five-star rating, yes, service to their clients locally, and then all clients in the whole country can go and look for that quality service. Yes, so that's the goal. That's why if you can integrate with us, we will create a best possible community which can support each other. Guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this example how quickly you can fix your TV. Yes, not always you can do it this way, but you've got plenty of videos which you can learn how to fix your TVs, or other playlists about game consoles, yes, and etc. So you can spend your time, few hours on each topic, and you can see most common faults we have with each of the devices. And by spending those few hours with me on those playlists, you can have benefit of knowing what you can do when you're starting repairing those devices. Thank you guys, and thank you for those who liked, subscribed. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.